Black Friday deal here. I forget exactly how much I saved on this one, but this is a lock for my front door. Gonna replace one that's a few years old that never really worked the way we wanted it to work. Benefits of this one is it's got Wi-Fi with a bridge, so you can unlock the door from anywhere instead of having Bluetooth and having to be right up next to it. So that's cool. Automatically locks when you close the door in case you have someone in your house that always forgets to lock the door. We're pretty good about that, but still. It's by Anchor. I don't know how much they were actually involved, but it's called Eufy Security, multiple unlock options, BHMA certified smart lock. So it's actually certified as a real lock for your front door, so it's secure. Here we go. Here's the back of the packaging. Multiple ways to unlock, locks automatically, security you can trust, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside, and then we'll do the install as well. Here's what you see when you first open it up. That's what the back looks like, as well as the guide for installing. Here's for the Wi-Fi, the hub, and there's the Deadbolt. These keys are fancy. Little sticker. This is the one we're replacing. It worked okay. You would change the batteries every few months. It's a quick set. All right, pro tip. So this is the one I just took out of the door, and this is the new one. Notice they're the same lengths. So instead of trying to measure the hole and the depth of it, you can just do that. Otherwise, I would have to like twist this to extend it, but I don't need to do that because I already know the size of the front door. Great. There's a hole in my door. So uninstalling that wasn't actually too hard. You know, this is all actually a lot easier. I think it's gonna be way easier than the last video. So if you haven't seen that yet, check out the Black Friday PC build. That one had a lot of more troubleshooting and stuff, but I think this one is gonna work out just fine. All right, next step. So the wire is going underneath the deadbolt, and this thing is going inside the deadbolt. Also, I did use the spacer in order to fill up the whole hole, but you may need to take that off. The spacer is that little black part around there. That's what it should look like at this point. And we got this back plate here and 2 screws that go through. You don't have to drill holes. It just goes through the middle hole that's already there. And tighten these up. Looking good. Connect that wire there, pretty straightforward. Stick this hole in this metal thing and you should be good. Screw it in. So you attach the back side to the back plate with just 3 screws. And then you can plug up this hole so you get a nice finish. This little piece of rubber there. Cool, now let's put the batteries in, scan the QR code, and set this thing up. All right, then I had to install the Eufy, whatever, security app. And once you sign up, you can start scanning a QR code. So here, I'll scan the code that's under the battery plate here. Boom. Long press the setup button until you hear a beep. After you release it, you will hear a voice prompt. After the setup process, this button will act as a factory reset. Okay, let's try that. Beep.
Ready to set up.
Next. Okay, connecting with smart lock. Well, that was fast. Doors closed. Calibrate the lock.
The deadbolt is stuck. Please return to the installation and try again.
Calibration failed. All right, let's adjust things and see where we get. All right, so I was able to get it to work. Couple things. One, I should lock the door first before trying to do the calibration. 2, I kind of need to press on my door because it's, I don't know, kind of bent or whatever. But now I'm connected. I was able to add access where I put my passcode. I was able to give my wife access with her own passcode. Now it's asking me to set up the Wi-Fi bridge, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Here we go. Uh-oh. Filming through another phone. It's hard. All right, add device. It's recommended to install the device between the router and device to ensure the best connection. Of course, why wouldn't I do that? Install the power pin into the device body as pictured. What? What is a power pin? Rotate the antenna to the angle shown above. Plug it into the socket where you want to chime to ring and wait for the light to turn red. All right, I'm gonna do that now. I'm guessing it's just saying make sure this is installed, which it already was. I think the thing on the side, it looks like an SD card, but I'm not sure where that comes into play. Oh well, plugging in is red. Is it gonna make any noise? All right, I think I just need to follow the steps in the app now. Next, connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the device we'll use. Yep. Press the sync button for 2 seconds until the LED blinks green. Okay, 1, 2.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in Eufy Security app to set up the system.
Fail to connect. Okay, so I reset and tried again. The trick is once it's green, you actually need to reset or press the sync again for 2 seconds until it starts flashing, and then you're good to go. And so it found the Bluetooth, and now it asks for my Wi-Fi password, and it's setting that up.
Device was added successfully.
So it wants a name. Oh, weird. It wouldn't let me name it. Oh well. It's got an update. Might as well update. What? All right. Some annoying troubleshooting, but oh well. It is connected. So in theory, I should be able to open my front door when I have Bluetooth off. So let's turn Bluetooth off. It says you can connect your lock to Wi-Fi bridge and ring it online. Do you want to connect? Yes. Connect to bridge. That's my bridge.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
Oh, I guess that was it. All right, little wonky setup, but it worked. Now, with no Bluetooth on, I should be able to unlock my front door. Oh, sorry. You have to actually drag here, so drag down. Woohoo! And then same thing for lock. And even got a notification. All right, well that's it. So I can unlock with a passcode. I set it to relock after 1 second. So when you close the door, it registers that it's closed and locks. All right, works great. Thanks for watching. And like I said, if you haven't checked out the Black Friday PC build, check out that playlist now.